All right, here's a quick tutorial on how to create visual filters specifically for participles in Logos. The first thing you want to do is open up your resource. In this case, I'm going to be opening up the Nestle Aland Greek New Testament 28th edition, or the NA28. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you're going to have to go to Documents, and then go down to Visual Filter. You'll notice that I've created quite a few of these, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And then you'll notice it's given it the title Untitled Visual Filter. What I can do is I can rename this like Participle Study. And then what I want to do is make sure that up in this corner here, I want Morph to be selected, not Bible. It defaults to Bible, so you'll need to select Morph. And then you'll notice that it automatically sets the morphology to the Anderson-Forbes Aramaic. In this case, we don't want that. We actually want something else, but it's actually not showing it because we need to limit the resources. So right now it's selected all resources, so go ahead and select NA28, which is the thing we're using. And then it automatically puts it to Logos Greek morphology, which is what we want. Right now we want all morph text in all passages in the Nestle Aland, so we're good there. Now what we want to do is in this find bar, put the @ symbol, and it'll immediately pull up the different pieces of speech that you can choose from, parts of speech, excuse me. In this case, we want to go for verbs. We don't want it to be selective of tense, voice. We just want it to be in the mood of participle. So go ahead and select that, and then you can leave the rest empty because we also don't want it to delineate any of that. Formatting, you can choose whatever you want. In this case, I'm just going to highlight it in blue. Then the next thing you can do is, again, hit the @ symbol. And in this case, we want articles. So go ahead and select article. We want all cases, numbers, and genders. And maybe for this, we will go ahead and highlight in green. So now that we've got all this together, we're ready to go. We can go back to the NA28, and you'll notice that it's already put these filters and made them active for us. I happen to be in Romans chapter 9, so you can see all the definite articles and all of the participles. If I wanted to turn these off at any time, I could click this little 3-dot thing here and go to visual filters, and I can click or unclick the participle study if I wish. So there you go. There are your visual filters. You can also open up an ESV in parallel with this, and you can do the same thing in that resource if you want to see it in English as well. Let me know if you have any questions.